Did you know this tree bleeds when you cut it? And people have been harvesting its blood for over 3000 years. But what scientists recently discovered about this blood will shock you. Stay until the end because I will reveal why this tree might go extinct in our lifetime. Welcome back to Tracking Nature. This alien looking tree is called the dragon's blood tree, and it only grows in one of the most isolated places on the earth, the island of Socotra near Yemen. But here is the crazy part. This tree looks like an umbrella, bleeds red like human, and has been used by ancient civilization for everything from medicine to magic spells. The Roman Empire paid gold for its blood. Medieval artists mixed it into their paintings, and today, scientists are testing it against some of the deadliest diseases known to humanity. So let's dive into 5 most incredible facts about this mysterious tree. Why does it actually bleed red? When you cut the bark, the crimson red sap oozes out. Ancient people thought dragons and elephants fought under these trees and their mixed blood soaked into the roots. But the truth is almost as incredible. The tree produces this dark red resin to protect itself from insect and seal wounds, kind of like how our blood clots when we get hurt. This dragon's blood hardened into a dark red crystal that people have been collecting for over 3000 years. And what they have been using it for? That's where it gets really interesting. The ancient Greeks used dragon's blood to treat dysentery and ulcers. The Romans used it for incense in their temples. Medieval Europeans thought it could cure plague. But were they onto something? Modern scientists have tested dragon's blood resin and here is what they found. It has powerful antibacterial properties. It can kill harmful bacteria in wounds. It's anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and pain. And get this, some studies show it might have fight certain cancer cells and viruses. In fact, dragon's blood is used today in some natural toothpaste, skincare products and traditional medicine across South America and Asia, though they use different species from the same family. But that's not even the most incredible thing about this tree. Look at this shape. It's not random. It's genius engineering. The dragon's blood tree grows in one of the driest, harshest climate on the earth. Socotra Island gets very little rain, so how does it survive? That umbrella shape is actually a water collection system. The dense canopy of leaves capture moisture from fog and rare rain, then funnels down to roots like a natural funnel. And there is more. The thick canopy creates shade underneath, which keeps the soil moist and allow other plants to grow. It's basically creating its own microclimate, its own little ecosystem. This tree isn't just surviving, it's changing its environment to thrive, nature's ultimate life hack. But here is the heartbreaking truth. This incredible tree is dying out. Climate change is hitting Socotra hard. The island is getting hotter and drier. The monsoon patterns that these trees depend on are changing. Scientists estimated that by 2080, most of the dragon's blood trees could be gone. These trees that have survived for 20 million years might not survive the next 50. There are only a few thousand mature trees left and they grow incredibly slowly, taking 10 to 15 years just to reach full size. And they only grow on this one island. Conservation groups are now racing to protect them, but it's an uphill battle against rising temperature and human activity. And here is the final mind-blowing fact. This tree is a living fossil. The dragon's blood tree evolved over 20 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. That's before modern elephants exist, before most of the animals we know today evolved. It's a part of an ancient plant family that once covered much of the Mediterranean and Middle East. But as climate changed, they went extinct everywhere, except on this isolated island. Socotra became a time capsule, preserving this prehistoric tree and over 700 other species found nowhere else on the earth. It's like a real-life Jurassic Park but for plants. So, what do you think? Should we be doing more to save the dragon's blood tree? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe because next week I am covering a very interesting topic. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.